Hi guys, so today we are going to solve another problem on Leetcode, which is destroying asteroid. It is a medium level problem. So let's just go through the problem statement first. So what we have been given is a set of asteroids and a planet. These asteroids will collide with the planet, but the order in which these asteroids will collide with the planet, right, that's not mentioned to us. We have to actually choose the order in which these asteroids will collide with the planet. And while choosing those asteroids or choosing the order in which they will collide, we have to choose it optimally such that the possibility of the planet to survive is maximum. So that's how we have to devise our solution. Now there are certain conditions which is mentioned in the problem which will lead to increase in the weight of the planet. So what are these? So it is mentioned in the problem like if the mass of the asteroid, right, it is less than or equal to the mass of the planet. In that case, the mass of the planet will actually increase. It will become the mass of planet plus mass of asteroid. So it will result in increasing the mass of our planet. Now let us assume initially the mass of our planet is 10 and the mass of the bigger asteroid is 20 and the small ones would be of 5, 5 and 5. Now, initially, if we collide our planet with the larger asteroid, our planet would have destroyed, right? But if we collide the smaller asteroid first, that will lead to resulting the mass of our planet to be 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. That will be 25. And if now we collide this 25 planet with the larger asteroid of mass 20, the asteroid will be destroyed and our planet will survive. So that's how we have to build our solution. So how we actually did that? To do that, what we had done is to actually just sort the asteroid that we have been given in increasing order. Right? If we sort them in increasing order, what it will lead to is like it will place all the smaller asteroids at the beginning, right, and the larger ones at the end. Now let's take the use case given in the problem, that is the mass of our planet is 10, right, and if the first asteroid, the smallest asteroid, if it collides with our planet, so what will happen when it collides? Since its mass is less than the mass of the planet, so it will add to the mass of the planet, so it will become 13. Now the next asteroid that will be colliding will be of mass 5. So since its mass is also less than the mass of the planet, it will add to the mass of the planet. So 13 plus 5 will become 18. Similarly, 18 is greater than 9, right? So it will again add to the mass of the planet. So it will become 27. Now this one will collide. This asteroid's mass is also less than the mass of the planet. So what it will lead to, it will become 46, right? And then we have our resultant planet's mass to be 46. It will collide with the asteroid of mass 21, which is less than the mass of the planet. So it will lead to mass to be 67. So we have collided all the asteroids and we have not found in the middle anywhere where the mass of planet will be less than the mass of the asteroid. So in this first test case, our planet will actually survive. So we will return true in this case. Okay. Now let's take another use case, right? So to do it, let's first step would be to sort the array, right? After sorting the array, it will become 4, 4, 9 and 23. And initially the mass of our planet given is 5, right? So if when the first asteroid collide with our planet, since its mass is less than the mass of the planet, 4 is less than 5, so the mass of the planet will increase to 9. Now again the second asteroid will collide with our planet. Since its mass is less than the mass of the planet, so again it will increment the mass of the planet, so it will be 13. Now when the third asteroid collide, its mass is also less than the mass of the planet, so the mass of the planet will again increase, it will become 22. Now if you notice, like the mass of the planet is 22, but the mass of the new asteroid, which is a bigger asteroid, is 23. So in this case, when this asteroid collide with our planet will destroy, right? So this is a test case where we have to return false. Okay. Now let's see how we can actually code this problem. So as we mentioned earlier, right, so to solve the problem, the first step is actually to sort the given asteroid's mass. So that will be our first step. We have sorted the asteroids. Then next thing we have to do is we have to calculate the planet's running mass. So here, as we have seen, we are calculating the running mass of the planet, because with the collision of each of the asteroid with the planet, the mass of the planet is actually increasing. So that's why we have this variable planet's running mass. So what will happen is we will pick up an asteroid and collide with the planet, but we will check if the mass of the asteroid is greater than the mass of the planet. If that is the case, which was our second use case, then we have to return false. Otherwise, what we have to do, we have to add that asteroid mass to the mass of the planet. And if we are able to iterate over all the asteroids mass, in that case, at the end, we have to return true. So this is how we will solve this problem. So do like, share and subscribe this YouTube channel for more upcoming content.